Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to reduce Telegram data usage. First thing you do is open up your Telegram app and then tap on the three lines at the top left corner, tap on settings, then scroll down. Now Telegram doesn't have one button where you can, one particular place where you can just simply click on and it will simply help you reduce your Telegram data usage. No, you have to take little steps like, first of all, you tap on data storage and then this automatically download. Make sure you turn it off for all of them. Turn them off and then you go to streaming. Make sure it is turned off. And to reduce data, because if it's not turned off, Telegram will start playing videos or music right away without waiting for the files to be fully downloaded. So under this useless data for call, make sure it's to never. So to use, it is a never actually, it makes it to always, so to use less data for call. Then that's it. It's a little step you take to reduce Telegram data usage on Telegram.